Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Kabalay JM Balog here from Desire Realty. Mga Kabalay, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating property of the day na Sugarland Estate, Trece Matres, Cavite. So mga Kabalay, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan mismo exact location ng ating Sugarland Estate here in Trece Matres, Cavite. As you can see at my back, that is the entrance that we have going to our community. So malaki po yung nakaposte, no? Nandiyan mismo yung logo ng Sugarland Estates. So may entrance and exit po yan. And also, ito po yung magiging ating pinaka-landmark. Tapat lang po siya ng Shell Gasoline Station. So at my back, ayan po yung ating mismong Governor's Drive. Kung kayo po ay galing Manila, no, papuntang Trece, ito po yung way natin. And pwedeng pabalik ng Manila, going from Trece, going to Malina. So ayan po mga Kabalay. So may mga buses na po yan, from PITX or Metro Manila. One ride lang po going to Trece Matres. Dito na po ang babaan at sakayan. Which means, our Sugarland Estate is within the prime location mga Kabalay. Yan. Again, that's a quick update that we have here for the location ng ating Sugarland Estate. For more details, like sample competition, house viewing, and reservation, just comment down below on this video or contact me on my mobile number and social media account. Again, this is your Kabalay JM Balog from Desire Realty. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home, choose Kabalay.